We're standing in the back of the Employment Lawyers Group, Sherman Oaks, on a windy day, and the wind is kind of like the changes that I've seen in employment law since I've been doing this since 1993. When I started, there were a lot of wrongful termination cases in the Los Angeles area where I represented older guys that were working in the aerospace companies that were going out of business. And that is how I started my career. Then I got more and more into sexual harassment, and then disability cases. By the turn of the century, wage and hour law was heating up. Those were the cases about unpaid wages, and the meal break laws came on the books, and a lot of lawyers like me started doing class actions for this kind of stuff. And nowadays, there's a lot of lawyers doing this, and there's a lot of people in California doing this. But what I can tell you about my career is I've done 48 trials I first chaired in binding arbitrations, and out of those I won 46 of them. And I've done about more than 1,700 cases, and I've represented classes of employees also. So I'd like to hear about your labor problem. If you were terminated from your job, if you suffered sexual harassment, or there's some unpaid wages involved. I can be reached at 877-525-0700. We have offices all over California, downtown Los Angeles, Torrance, Tustin, Riverside, Ontario, and Bakersfield, besides the Sherman Oaks office. Oh, and Oxnard, very important office for us. That's actually a building that I built myself on the water. So that's kind of a nice location to come and do depositions, or just come as a new client. It's a little bit more relaxing than being in an office environment. So once again, I would hope to hear from you if you have a labor problem in California. I'm also licensed in Texas, Massachusetts, and Washington, D.C. if you have legal problems there of the employment nature. Thank you.